The Oil Never Ran Out by Jill Kemp, illustrated by Richard Gunther. The Bible tells us about a lady who was sad. Her husband had died and owed a man lots of money. She had no money to pay him. She went to see Elisha, the man of God, for help. Elisha asked, "What do you have in your house?" "Only a jar with little cooking oil," replied the lady. "Borrow as many empty jars as you can. Fill them with oil from your jar," Elisha told her. The lady was surprised. She didn't have that much cooking oil in her jar, but she did as the man of God said. The boys borrowed lots of empty pots and bowls. They went inside the house and shut the door. They filled one jar full, then the next. The oil in the jar just kept pouring out until every single jar was full. She sold the cooking oil at the market and gave all the bowls and jars back to her neighbors. Then she paid all the money her husband had owed. I wonder how many jars I would have borrowed. How much faith would I have had? If the lady had only borrowed one bowl, she would not have had enough oil to sell to pay back the money. The family thanked God for looking after them and for the wonderful miracle. God will look after you too.